previous slot, we have discussed about the food adulteration in fruits. Yes or not? What are the points we have discovered there? Okay, enough. So, what is meant by adulteration here? I will say adulteration is nothing but adding some chemicals or even harmful colors on the food products. So that why they are doing this actually? Why they are adulterating the food? Because to gain more money and to increase the shelf life. Oh, why do you keep what it is? What it has written on that? Who are you? What you want? What is this? Who are you? Why you want this? So next, as we discussed, adulteration is nothing but adding some chemicals and some. So this food adulteration is a bad habit, right? So food adulteration is who are you? Why you keep? Very good. See what is this? Food adulteration is a bad habit. We have to stop it. Yes or not? Is food adulteration is a good one? No, it is a bad habit. Why it is bad? Because it is having chemicals. So already we are done with the wax test. We done wax test by using cucumber, right? This is not we use cucumber and we done with the wax test. And the next experiment we are choosing was artificial coloring test. What it is? Artificial coloring test. So for that experiment we are choosing the sample of peas and next spinach. What are the samples we are taking here? Peas and spinach. So with that, now we have to know that some artificial color is present on that leafy vegetable. Okay? Are you interested for the experiment? Yes. Shall we? So now, as we discussed, we are taking the sample of spinach and peas here. So now this is our bowl and we are pouring some water in it. Now, this is a bowl with water and we are adding spinach and peas in it. What we are adding? Spinach and peas. So let us settle it for some time. I'll call among you few children for the observation. Okay, you have to observe and you have to tell the result to me. Okay? Are you? Yes, we have to give. Direct is given one symbol. So children. Ishita wants come.
We observed that the water in this bowl had turned into green color because of spinach and peas have been added artificial colors. Thank you.
So Shrika, from this experiment, what you have learned today?
I learned that the shopkeepers or some people are adding colors into this spinach and peas. I thought to wash it and eat.
Yes. And the color change is this. Yes or not? Everyone can see the green color, right? Yes or not? Everyone can see the green color, no?
Yes,
So this is nothing but artificial color. What it is?
artificial color.
So now the next one.
So Yes.